Rishus, Chosheva members of the panel, Rabbi Frand, Judge Schmidt, Mr. Leshkowitz, Mr. Eisenberger, Mr. Laufer, Rishus, the Chosheva Mesadrim of this very special Asifa, Haroitzim Be'ilum Shemam, but who put in so much effort. This is the third year, Li Ayin Hara.
Aseres Moinim, I've been erlich with you, Lavan. You're a thief, you're a crook, you're a gunner. But I was always erlich. That's the speech that Yankov Avinu makes at the end of Golas. We have to be able to make that speech.
You have what's called lifestyle audits, investigatory audits. Someone says he has 12 children, he makes $12,000, but he donates $40,000 to charity. Sounds interesting. You think it's a joke. I know a friend of mine who was once called down. Also, the income didn't look 100% hati-tati, and this was what's called an office audit, which I'll get into, where you go down to the office. And he went himself, and during the course of the discussion, the agent started asking him a question off a whole long checklist. How much money do you spend for food? What do you spend for clothing? What do you spend for cleaning? Shoe shines, haircuts, a whole laundry list. When it was all over, the agent gave him a bill for $25,000. Why? Very simple. Where did he get the money to spend everything that he has just said to an IRS agent he spends every week, month, and every year?
Mr. Schmidt, they speak of two kinds of criminal laws that are found in American law. There are laws that are called malum in se, and there are laws that are called malum prohibitum. Malum means bad. Malum in se means it's bad because it's inherently bad. Why is it bad? Because everybody knows it's bad. You can see that it's bad from a mile away, because it's usher to everyone to do from the time of the giving of the Torah. Lo tignov, lo tirtzach. Don't say sheker. Don't engage in mirma. These laws are malum in se, and I will tell you that the vast majority of American laws are laws that are malum in se. They're laws that I think everyone here, with a conscience, with Torah learning, with an instinct for right and for wrong, will understand are wrong virtually immediately.
And I'll tell you what the Mechaber says about going to secular courts. Okay? Usa luden b'shnai dayuni akim ebakur shalem. Afila bedin shedunim gitine Yisroel. Even if they use the Mosaic system as their law. Bafila nisratza beis baladinim loden b'fneim. Even if both of them agree, there is no such thing as a waiver. It's usa. V'chol abu lidin b'fnayim harizerusha.
Thank you very much, Justice Schmidt. I think tonight it was really a historic experience. We heard from a Rosh Hashiva who wants to be a Supreme Court Justice, and from a Supreme Court Justice who wants to be a Rosh Hashiva.
Touched on specific cases and matters that I've handled, but the main theme that I've stated in the past, and I state to you tonight, is don't do it. Now, you're going to understand what I'm talking about when I give you the examples. I will talk tachlis. I will tell you about specific cases, and I'm begging you, don't do it. There's a plague out there. You have not only the criminal aspects, but you also have the civil aspects between each other. What's going on? The Ben Adam Lechaverai is just absolutely breaking down. Judge Schmidt is talking about go to Din Tires. I go to Din Tires as well. You've got to see what's going on in the Din Tires as well. It's not as if you should go to a Din Tire, but you should also, there should not be the rampant fraud and the rampant forgeries that are taking place.